Joining us right now is Sarat Sethi. He is DCLA portfolio manager. And Sarat, what are you thinking of earnings season so far and where the market's valued at this point?
I think we had a really good lead off with financials. Historically, the last couple of quarters, that wasn't very good. They kind of disappointed. But if you look at where Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, Goldman really performed well. And what they said was expectations going forward are going to be better. And I think that was a good leading to earnings coming forward with the consumer, capital markets activity. And if you look at kind of where they think, business is going. So that was a good lead in. And then you've got some good earnings coming too. But then you've got some companies saying, hey, things are a little squishy for them as well. So you got to look below the hood, peel back that onion and say, hey, market's at 5,800. Where are the opportunities? This morning, Raytheon had good earnings. That's a stock that's got great free cash flow. GM is doing well as well. So you have to look at kind of which ones that you want to own going forward for the next couple of quarters. Yeah, we know we've got some bumps coming down the road, but I think cash flow, earnings are going to be huge, and those that can protect margins. Because companies have raised prices over the last 2 years. We know that for sure. It's the ones that can actually raise revenue going forward and not just price.
Okay, and what companies fall into those expectations for you?
So for us, if you look back, some of the commodity companies, I think copper companies are going to be able to raise prices. We just don't have enough supply. Maybe you get a little bump in the road just in terms of, hey, what's going on with fiscal stimulus? So I like the commodities. I like energy companies as well. Schlumberger had good earnings last week. Stock sold off, but you're selling at 10 times earnings. American Express, down 5% since they had earnings, but they're looking at double-digit growth. So companies that are growing. Now look at Delta. Delta is growing so fast. The stock's trading at 7 times earnings. They're going to basically, in a couple of years, pay off all their debt. They're not going to do that, but they're going to actually increase more into what they're spending for their loyal customers. So I like a whole bunch of these companies that I think are going to grow in the next 2 to 3 years.
It's funny, we were talking about lithium and a new lithium discovery in Arkansas. That's the kind of sea change that you rarely see in a commodities business, but it does happen from time to time. I think you like copper better.
Well, it's interesting. I do like copper, but lithium has already run quite a bit. But let's go back to Schlumberger. Schlumberger can actually help lithium companies find more lithium. So there are ways to play this, but I do think you have to be in the commodity space, whether it's copper, aluminum, or even steel. We just don't have enough of that if we're going to grow the way we want to grow, whether it's EVs, it's going into all the other types of businesses that are going to be productive to save energy.
All right, speaking of EVs, we've got GM coming up, the CFO.
We've loved GM for a while. We've actually sold the stock. I think it's a very good company. I think the headwinds are going to be pretty strong. It'll be good to ask as to how are they going to compete in the EV space? How are they going to compete in the robot space? Stock's done very well, great cash flow, but the reinvestment's going to be very interesting.
It's so interesting to think that a car company now has to compete in the robot space, all because of Tesla?
All because of Tesla, Waymo, you've got a whole bunch of other things coming at it. And how do you maintain the margins in an EV space where you have batteries, to your point, lithium? There's a whole different way of selling these. How do you service them? So I think the stock's done well, but it still trades at a single multiple. It's very hard to get it over that.